1.7. What does VDA mean? So, what exactly is a VDA? VDA stands for Vehicle Damage Assessor. It's the modern term for what most people used to call an estimator. A VDA is the person responsible for assessing vehicle damage, calculating the repair costs, and presenting that estimate to the insurance company or work provider. It's a key role in the repair process. You're the link between the customer, the insurer, and the body shop. Now, most VDAs build their estimates using Audatex, which is the main industry tool for creating accurate, data-backed repair costs. You'll use it to calculate labor times, parts prices, and paint materials, all based on live, verified data. Day to day, your job as a VDA is to make sure those estimates are accurate, justified, and maximized, meaning the body shop gets paid correctly for the work that needs to be done. You might be compiling an estimate using photos provided by a customer or an insurer, or you might be physically inspecting the vehicle yourself and taking your own images. Either way, your goal is the same: to clearly identify the damage, cost it correctly, and ensure everything is supported with the right evidence. So, in short, the VDA is the person who brings together technical repair knowledge, attention to detail, and strong communication skills to make sure every repair is authorized, safe, and profitable. And that's why learning how to use Audatex confidently is one of the most important parts of becoming a successful vehicle damage assessor.